I always keep a pack of this 4-aught steel wool around for polishing metal, cleaning, polishing. Works really well for that. Works better than anything else, really. At that point, it's so fine you're not leaving scratches on stuff. I don't think I have it. Well, I know I don't have any videos of me polishing anything with steel wool. I don't think I do anyway. Can't remember exactly. Getting old. Give you a really good example, but I got a fairly new piece of steel wool or stainless here. Not fairly new. This is new. And let me see. I don't see any marks on it, so we're going to do this real quick, like just to show that it's not gonna tear up this stainless. Very easy on stuff, easy on everything, really. You ain't gonna damage much with 4-aught steel wool, and it'll do some surprising things. I think this particular one came. I think there was 12 in here. It's just a 4-aught steel wool.